And we're rolling. Here's Nick J with the Fighting Cock shirt, sporting a 45 and a 25, doing dips here. Let's see what this man has got. Man-child, that is, as he climbs up the dip. Look at those perfect dips. I think it's because of the Under Armour headband. Those Fighting Cocks are really pushing him to the limit. He's spitting everywhere. And he ran out of gas. Those Fighting Cocks are still going at it. Remember, folks, that was a 45 and a 25, making Nick J weigh 105 pounds.
Alright, turn that thing off.